Have a powerful and reliable daily driver with the Eunorau FAT-MN electric bike. This sturdy fat tire electric bike has a durable foldable frame, with premium components designed for outdoor environments. This model has a big and powerful 500 watts motor and a 12.5 amp-hour capacity battery pack for smooth and sustained acceleration on the road or off-road. The bike has a range of 40 to 50 miles, so it is an ideal daily driver for going to school or work and returning home. The 4-inch Kenda Crusade Sport fat tires are grippy and so suited when traveling at speed, and have K-shield protection that makes it resistant to punctures. It has a very convenient folding bike. It only needs small storage, so it is ideal for apartments or dormitories where space is tight. It is among the best and affordable electric bikes you can buy in terms of build quality and specs. It is the ideal electric road bike for working moms and dads, students, and city dwellers. Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.